Alright, in this video you'll see me replace the battery hold down with the Optima one from World. And you'll also see several examples of that I'm just too lazy to get the right socket extension. There's 5 nuts on studs in the bottom of this tray. Usually pretty rusted up, so get pretty good dose of WD-40. And it's a complete trash bin underneath of there, so took a little time to clean it up, get the rust cleaned up, primered and painted. Give it a quick little bath with some degreaser, followed up by some acetone just to make sure the primer and paint stick. $49.15. $29.45. So the kit comes with these 2 initial brackets. The longest one goes towards the front of the car, short one in the back. Maybe the trickiest bit of this whole install, getting these 2 brackets. There's a lot of play, and so making sure that these 2 are in the right spot for the tray to sit on top. So I think the trick here was to these 4 nuts, leave them just barely snug so that the brackets would slide around a little bit, and then bring the tray in, make sure those bolt holes all line up, and then snug these 4 nuts up tight. And then sort of once you know got everything lined up, it's the 2 nuts in the bottom bracket closest to the center of the car that you can get with the tray on top. So go ahead and snug those up good and tight, hold everything in place, let you take the tray back off and finish torquing everything. Now on the tray, there's these two vertical risers that go up to the top bracket. I don't think it called for this in the instructions, but where those bolts are that come up into those vertical risers, I'm just afraid they'd be prone to come loose, just through vibration or whatever. So add a little Loctite to those just to make sure they stay in place. And it's really just a couple straightforward steps and you're all wrapped up.